Hey guys, welcome to my channel, All Things Logic. I'm Jeremy Haas. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go direct in your audio interface into input 1 with your guitar and use the preset sounds that come with Logic Pro, like the distortion, the crunch, and the clean guitars, all the different amps, the presets. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Yeah. All right. If you guys want to follow along, I'm going to go ahead and open up Logic Pro here. So I'm going to go hit New Project right here. And okay, cool. So if you're on some other square here, make sure you go over and go to audio, and it lights up blue like this, and not microline, but we're going to go down to garage or guitar or bass, since we are going direct into our audio interface. Okay, make sure your audio interface it's set to instrument, not microline. And make sure the signal's set right, so it's green, it's not peaking in the red. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and make sure it says input 1 or whatever input you're going into in your audio interface. I'm going into input 1, so I'm going to keep it there and hit create, okay? All right, so since we're starting with the guitar or bass, it's going to already have an amp sim preset in there, which is the Brit or clean. That's a clean preset, but this is always going to start off with this as your default sound or preset. So next we're going to go to electric guitars or bass, and I'm going to go to Distortion to start with. I love Distortion. I'm a metal freak. So, and I'm going to use I'm going to check out a couple different sounds. We'll start with American metal, okay? Let me take this off and turn this down real quick. All right, I'm going to put on my headphones and we're going to go from there. I think I'm in tune, so let me make sure. There we go. Get my hair out of my face here. Okay, let me turn up my I think that's just my dry signal without the plugins on and everything. Let me tune real quick. Pretty close. Alright, so then we're going to go and let me go ahead and let's turn on this bad boy, turn off the count. I'm going to do their cycle right here. Just give you an idea. Now, okay, so next you're going to want to arm your track if you're going to be recording, of course. And so make sure the little red's going on there, and record button and flashing like that, and then also you can turn on your input monitor to just make sure you're hearing your plugins right that are right here, your presets. Okay, so let me turn up my speed here. That's fine. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and count it in. We're going to play it real quick. I wasn't ready for that. Let's start. Do it right here. Cool. This is my Poor Me song. I already released it and got it all done. I'm just using that guitar tracks to show you how to do this, okay? So cool. So, and I always like to name these real quick. I'm going to just name this guy real quick. Rename. And, yeah, we're going to just rhythm guitar. Rhythm guitar. And left, because I like to do left and right to make it sound real big, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. And then we're going to go ahead and start a new track, and I'm going to show you some other sounds and instruments. And we're going to keep it on input 1, and everything's the same. We're going to take the arm off this and turn it on this, and we're going to change this. Let's go ahead and not do that. Let's go and change this sound to go over here. Everything's a left click on your mouse unless I tell you it's a right click. Okay, guys? Distortion, and I really like the maelstrom. Okay? Unfortunately, it's got an echo on it. Whoops. There it is. So I'm going to go ahead and this is your plugins. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off that echo real quick, okay? All right, cool. And so this I'm going to name real quick my, let me turn it down. Oh, shoot. Here we go. All right, rhythm guitar, right. Okay. And we're gonna left this ear and right this ear so I can hear what I'm doing in both. And I arm that again. We're gonna go ahead and lay down another track real quick, okay? Unique sounds, getting different sounds in each ear to give it this real wide sound. It's the way to go. All right, nice. Now, to hear playback, make sure so you can hear it, the track play. Watch, you won't be able to hear the left, right ear. Because that input monitoring is on. We're gonna take that off now. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit play, and you'll hear both of them. A lot of fun. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and mute both those, and we're gonna start another track now. I'm gonna show you some clean and crunch. Okay, so we're gonna keep everything the same here, left click everything, and we're gonna go down to electric guitar, and we're gonna go to clean. And let's find something that's pretty cool. I know there's a couple in here I really like. Let's take a look at a couple. Let's start with where's that blues? I like some. Here's some blues. Where are you, blues? I don't know where. Oh, it's in a different thing. It's a different setting. Never mind. Okay, so clean. Let's see what this is. Let's find something a little bit more. Ooh, that's trippy. Clean room. That'll work. It's my other song, Butte County Boys. The Butte County Boys. Obviously, I'm from Butte County. So yeah, so there's another clean one. There's all kinds of cool clean stuff. Ooh, surf and stereo. Let me yeah. Sick. I have it a little turned up the too high. It's peaking. It's not peaking on. It's not recording peaking, but it's peaking. It's too loud in my headphones. Probably for you guys too. I apologize. So turn that down a little bit. Okay. So you got the different clean ones. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another track. Bam, 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 and we're gonna go and just check out some pretty cool. Crunch. Okay. I was looking for the blues earlier. Brute blues. Here we go, baby. Still a little loud. Mute this one. A little bit. How's that? All right, so let's do this. See, you got all these different stuff you can play around. There's all kinds of killer stuff in here. Cheap studio time. There's chord burn. That's sick. Yeah, I like that. Fat amp. Empty club. Ooh, that's sad. It happens though. It happens to the best of us. Sick. So you guys get the idea. Pretty awesome. A lot of fun. You can sit all day and just screw around with this all day. It's so much. I do all the time. But yeah, I'll have another video showing you how to actually customize all the different amps and pedals and all that. They've got all kinds of sick pedals too. Like they got Digitech, the octaves, they have octavator, all the different stuff. You get the choruses, all kinds of overdrives, distortions, everything you can think of, and all the different amps like Marshall, like Sound Alike, Orange, Fender, everything you can, Mesa, a rectifier, everything, a 6505, I believe a 5150, they have even a copy of that. Yeah, and then you can just change, you can do whatever you want with it. It's pretty awesome, but I'll show you in the more advanced stuff. I'll come out with a video showing you guys how to do all that stuff, but I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys learned something. See you guys. Alright guys, if you guys want to see more videos like this, anything to do with Logic Pro on your Mac, your iPad, or iPhone, please check out my channel, All Things Logic. If you guys want to learn how to use Logic Pro's little brother, GarageBand, it's completely free. Please check out my channel, All Things GarageBand. I'm Jeremy Hawes. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys.